In the heart of the Indian subcontinent, a land teeming with culture, diversity, and history, the winds of change brewed. As the 20th century unfolded, the British Empire, once a mighty force, began its slow yet inevitable retreat. In the labyrinthine corridors of power, leaders emerged, their voices echoing the cries of a nation yearning for independence. Among them were Jawaharlal Nehru in India and Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Pakistan. Their paths, once intertwined under colonial rule, would soon diverge in a bitter struggle for sovereignty. Nehru, a charismatic leader with a vision of a united, secular India, faced an unexpected challenge from Jinnah, who advocated for a separate Muslim homeland. The Muslim League, led by Jinnah, demanded partition, fueled by religious tensions and the fear of minority oppression. The British, weary from maintaining control, agreed to grant independence, but the question of partition loomed large. The Radcliffe Line, a hastily drawn boundary, would divide the subcontinent, creating India and Pakistan overnight. August 15, 1947, marked the birth of India as an independent nation, with Nehru delivering his famous Tryst with Destiny speech, filled with hope and optimism. Simultaneously, Pakistan, born from the ashes of British rule, celebrated its independence under Jinnah's watchful eye. Yet, the joy was short-lived. The violence that followed the partition was unprecedented, claiming millions of lives. Hindus and Sikhs fled Pakistan, while Muslims made their exodus from India. The partition left deep wounds, scars that would take generations to heal. In the years that followed, both nations struggled to establish their identities. Nehru's secular India and Jinnah's Islamic Pakistan, two visions of independence, played out in a complex dance of partnership and conflict. The partition of India and Pakistan stands as a testament to the tumultuous journey of decolonization. It serves as a reminder of the human cost of political ambition and the enduring power of hope in the face of adversity. The legacy of the partition continues to shape the destinies of these two nations, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the people who call the subcontinent home.